Welcome back to this brand new video coming back to you from Tageero, the number one affiliate marketing training YouTube channel. And I'm back with you guys today with a brand new training on how to make $100 to $1,000 per day with Clickbank. So if you guys are not familiar with Clickbank, Clickbank is the leading global and the number one affiliate marketplace with over 44,000 products, and they have been paid out more than $2 billion. So Clickbank is the number one, and if you guys don't have an account, you need to sign up here and make it an account. And I'm going to show you today how to make money with Clickbank with free form, and also I'll be showing you guys with a paid uh, where you can get paid with this. But first thing what you have to do is sign up, and here it's available in 200 countries. But if it's not available in your country, I have another affiliate network that is also very popular that you can join, which is called Digistore. Digistore 24 is also a very nice affiliate which you can make an account when you click here, and it's available in most of the countries. Pretty much it's available everywhere, so making an account, the thing with this digital, it's also automate your workflow and many more, and you can also grow your affiliate business. So if it's not available, then you need to come here. So I'm going to show you also another way that when you promote Clickbank, um, here you can see all the things that you could be aware of. They have 4,000 products. They have been paid out $4.2 billion in commissions. 90% commission has been paid out, and they have never missed a payment. Okay, so what do we have to do? First thing, what do we have to do is come to Marketplace. I've just made this account for the training purposes, and you can see you can check the categories that you want to promote. There's many. There's business, investing, computing, and cooking, and also fitness, many more. So for us, and before what I'm going to show you, I just want to let you know that you always need to promote something you're passionate about, because if not, then you won't be making money, or you don't make any good enough money. So excuse me. So for this, you need to also find your passion. If you are someone who likes about computers and stuff, then you should be promoting computer stuff. If you are into investing like stocks, crypto, then you should be promoting investing offers. If you are into the health and fitness, you should be promoting health and fitness. That's what I've seen the best way, and that's how you can make good money. For me, I'm into business and I'm into teaching people how to make money, so I like to promote e-business. For this example today, I'm going to show you about this course, which is called Commission Hero, which is been in the top 10 for as long as 2 years, and there's a gravity of 62 people promoting this. The average sale is 360, and there's also a rebuild. That means you could get recurring commissions. First thing what we have to do is we have to go with the affiliate page, and then see what is the requirement, and you have to watch this video, and then this will also show you how do you can send people to the webinar. All right, and I suggest you guys, or even I highly suggest you guys to sign up, and also excuse me, and also check all the things that are requirement. So once you have that, you need to click promote, get your hop link, and then you need to copy that. You need to be a vendor, but I am already a vendor, which I have my vendor. So what do we have to do is then what we have to come to ClickFunnels, which is the best landing page builder, which you can collect opt-ins, and you make a squeeze page, lead magnet, and many more. So This funnel, I'm gonna link it down in the description. You need to have an account. If you don't, then you will be able to sign up for 14 days free trial. Will be the link in the description, and you'll get this very nice, cool landing page, which also shows the case studies and many more. Okay, and people will also be learning about Robbie, which is he's been in the top affiliate, top Clickbank affiliate, and also he's a vendor as well. So what do we have to do? We will need to connect our autoresponder, which I highly suggest you guys to get AWeber. Again, with AWeber, you'll get the 30 days free trial down in the description. It's no hassle, nothing. It's free for 30 days free trial, and you get the link in the description. All right, what do we have to do? And once we have that, we will be able to connect with I'm already connected with, and then eh, we have to add our link in the general. Once we add it in the general, let me see if I'm added in the general. Yeah, it's already linked, which you will be getting into your from the hub link. Then you click save. Now what do we have to do? We have to come to ClickMagick to before I collect the link, I'm gonna explain to you what is ClickMagick. ClickMagick is the best marketing, and it tracks all the links from where it's coming from. It's the best and the number one affiliate platform where you can track your all your marketing and see how many clicks you get, and see from where they click, if it's filter, if it's bots, and many more. So what do you have to do is you have to come here and grab the link, and then you need to use ClickMagick to make it. Now for the amazing and the best way where you can get leads, which is called Udemy. Udemy is number one solo ads leads, where you can buy leads from people who has big big list. Like, let's say this person, which is my favorite, he has around 300,000, and he keeps getting leads or emails on his autoresponder, which he will um, send your link, which is this is my ClickMagick link. He will send it to his email list, and for each email list that he's or for each visitor that he sends, it's 60 cent 59 cent. And he has 2,374 people like, which means there's no dislike, and he has 42%, which means half of his buyers, they get sales. So first thing, what do you have to do? You have to check about the sellers. He have sold 55 solos recently, which is in this week. He's in the Hall of Fame, which is the number one people that are vendors, or people who have they buy from him. And here are the images. For example, this is a ClickMagick tracking, which 71 clicks, 2 conversion, 700%, and also the CVR is 2%, and the revenue is 136. That means this guy, he knows what he's doing. And another bonus, which is I'm gonna add to you guys. For example, let's say you have bought 300. With the link in the description, you will get $5 cut off your order. So you'll be getting free $5 once you use the link in the description to get Udemy. And I personally suggest my viewers to start with 300, so that they can build their email list quickly. For example, if you buy, let's say, 300 lists, and then most of them, they get 50% opt-in, which means 150 people will opt in into your autoresponder, which is the AWeber that I suggest you guys to use the link in the description. You'll get 150 people signing up to your list, which you can track. Which you can send them an automated email list, which also you'll be getting from Commission Hero. They have swipes, which you can schedule them each day with to send them email out. That is for the paid traffic. Now for the free traffic that everyone waiting for. It's called the free ad form. It's free, and you can also buy a premium, which is if you want to pay, it's $5 for 90 days, and you will highlight your link. Let's click on this example. It says learn all the Clickbank tricks straight from them. That means this person, he had paid $5 to get his affiliate link in here, which also it says here that for 90 days just $5, and they have made this. And you can click, let's click, and they have used Bitly to shorten it, and then it will take us to Clickbank University. Clickbank University is the number one training for affiliate marketing, and it's by the Clickbank people themselves. All right, I'm going to show you where it is. This one, it's here, Clickbank University. Each one who buys from your link, which I assume you paid $5 for the 90 days, and then it has highlighted it and it's in the top. And each one who sign up under you, you'll get 223, which it is also very nice. And if it's not being profitable, why people are paying this? They have published this on 9, which is yesterday, and location is San Diego, California. And yeah, that's it. So these all the links for these tools and links for the websites, you'll get them in the description. Again, don't forget to get your ClickFunnels landing page also in the description. And also, if you are not on Digistore and your country is not available with Clickbank, you need to go to digistore24.com, and for AWeber it's here. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to smash the like button if you find this video valuable and informative, and also like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I always upload videos each day, so I suggest you guys to keep to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. Again, also if you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below so I can answer all your questions. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.